This is not financial advice. Dreamers, in this video, I'm going to show you how I pretty much get free leap options. Now, last week I showed you guys that I had AMD and I made over 455% on this leap option. I bought it last year in December 2024, and I just sold it this year in December. So it's been a full year. And I sold it for a profit of $8,500. Now, as you guys can see right there, I only paid $1,865, and I completely had that paid off for, not from profits because the leap option went up, but because I sold poor man cover costs to pretty much pay me rent and got this leap option paid off on like it was paying me rent every single week. I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you guys already know, so far this year, I'm up $46,103. Let's zoom in a little bit. So far in December, I'm up $2,843. So overall, I've been averaging around, let's say, $3,000 to $4,000 every single month. Hopefully by the end of December, I'll be in the $3,000 range. So if we come over to AMD, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did on AMD in my next place. So AMD, as you guys can see, I was selling poor man cover calls all the way from August to December. So I've been selling poor man cover calls whenever I seen a good opportunity in there, letting my leap option run. So I was getting $53, $33, and then towards the end I started ramping it up. $130, $31, $112, $125, $275, $278. But yeah, I've been selling poor man cover calls throughout the entire journey, starting off from the very beginning of last year to now, and I made a total of $2,131 in premium alone. So if we look right here, it only cost me $1,865, but in premium alone, not even counting how much the option went up, I'm up $2,131. So we could add that on top of the $8,000. So I really made around like $10,000 from this leap option trade. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did. All I was doing was selling poor man cover calls. Once I'm in profit, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I calculate that out for me to break even on the trade. So if you could do me a huge favor, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Right now, 1,000 of you dreamers out there have hit that notification bell, and that's completely insane. We're beating the average on YouTube. The average is anywhere between 10 and 30%. We're at 22.6%, and I really appreciate you guys every time you hit that notification bell. And if you do want to join the Patreon, that link to Patreon is going to be down in the description if you want to learn these strategies. All right, here we are on my next leap option play. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to get this one paid off for. This is Micron technology. It is a year leap option. I have posted this inside the Discord, and we're already up 32%, and we entered this trade like a week and a half ago, and we're up 32%. So that's $2,274. Now this leap option cost me let's just say $7,100, and this is a 1 year leap option. So let's see how much I need to make per week in order for me to break even on Micron technology. So I'll come over to my calculator, I'll type in $7,100, and then I'll divide that by the number of weeks. 52 weeks. That means I need to make around $136 every single week from selling poor man cover calls in order to break even on this Micron technology. Even though I'm already up, this is just icing on the cake just in case it pulls back and decide to trade sideways for the rest of the year. So to make it simple, let's go back to Robinhood, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Here we are on Robinhood. Let's go to Micron technology, trade options, and then we're going to go out a week. Even though this is a short week, it's going to give us very little premium right here. So we should really go out 2 weeks. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be looking for weekly poor man cover calls. We're going to be selling a call versus our leap option, because once you buy a leap option, it's like acting like you own 100 shares. So since we acting like we own 100 shares, now we can sell a cover call. That's why it's called a poor man cover call. It's called many other things, but we're going to call it a poor man cover call. So remember, we needed around $135. As long as it meets one of our criteria that is underneath 0.3 delta. We want it to be under a 0.3 delta because we do want to hold on to our leap option, and we do want to let our leap option run for a little bit in order to maximize our gains. And if it's at a 0.3 delta, we only have 70% chance of winning that trade. But if it's underneath that at like a 0.2 delta, that means we have an 80% chance of winning that trade. And there's many other things that we could do, like roll it up and out, just in case if the strike price goes into the money. So remember, we only need $136 per week. So we're going to scroll up and look for around $136. So here goes one at $139. So let's click the $287 covered call. We're going to click this one right here, and let's look at the delta. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's underneath a 0.3 delta. In fact, it's underneath a 0.2 delta. It's at a 0.18 delta, which is really good for me. And if I could sell, in fact, the market price is $151, so that's even better. So if we was to find a trade like this underneath the 0.2 delta every single week, and this is a short week. This is the Christmas week. This is the holiday weekend. The market's going to be open half a day on Christmas Eve. It's going to be closed on Christmas Day. So this is a short week. We're going to get a little bit less in premium, but we're still able to generate enough money to cover the cost. Our Leap is paying us rent every single week to make us some money. So if we was to take 151 times 52, you guys can see that we will be in profit even if MU traded sideways for an entire year. Now, that is in a perfect world that you'll be able to do it in every single week. But what we do over inside the Discord, we only really sell cover calls when it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands or above the 50 on the RSI. So right now it's a good trade for us because it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands. It's oversold on the RSI indicator. That means we could really be aggressive and sell at a 0.3 delta to collect more premium, but when it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, we could collect more premium. But if it's towards the middle, we could sell at underneath a 0.3 delta, like a 0.2 or 0.18. But whenever it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, we could be a little bit more aggressive and collect more premium, because some weeks when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands or we're not in profit yet, we won't be able to sell poor man cover calls because we don't want our cost basis to be below where we're averaging. Now that is a very simplified, summed up version of how I make my poor man cover calls pay me rent every single week and how I get Leap options for free. But if you do want to learn more about it in more detail right now until the end of the year, the Dream Team, where I teach the real strategy, my Leap options and everything like that. I have video modules in there with quizzes, courses, everything that you need. If you want to learn that and be a part of my Zoom calls every single Sunday, right now it is half off until the end of the year. To the end of the year is going to be half off. So if you guys do want to get this as an investment inside of yourself leading into 2026 to take your investing journey a little bit more serious and be a part of a amazing group of investors and traders that want to be financially free. I know you want to be financially free because you're watching this video. And since you're watching this video, I know that you're really thinking about taking your investing journey very serious. It is a slow grind at first. I'm using a real strategy, but once that snowball effect start rolling, man, you're really going to see that premium start to kick in. So if you're really serious about it and you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and comment, give me the loot down in the comment section. While you're down there in the comment section, the link to the Patreon is going to be in the comment section, and the link to the Discord is going to be down in the comment section. And if you guys do want to get started with some free stocks, I'm going to leave a link to Moo down in the description. You can sign up just from using that platform. You can get up to $1,000 in NVIDIA shares. I remember when I first got started in the stock market, we was only getting like one share of a $10 stock, and you guys could get up to $1,000 in NVIDIA. So the game has changed. You can use all three platforms, Moo, Reboot, and Robinhood. Get free shares when you sign up. That is by far the easiest way to get started inside the stock market. So I'm going to leave a link to Moo down in the comment section in the description as well. But yeah, if I move too fast, let me know. Drop any questions that you have down in the comment section. I promise I reply to every single comment in the comment section, as long as it ain't no crazy stuff down there, because it's still a small channel. So if you can subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I only get around like 8 to 9 comments. So I really appreciate it. It's really easy to apply to. And if you can, hit that thumbs up on the video and hit that notification bell. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are risk. Do your research. Is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considering falls under the fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.